What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So, Nothing and OnePlus have a lot in common, specifically around how the company started, but also a lot of differences. They obviously both sell electronic devices, phones, earbuds, all of that. And today I want to go ahead and show you OnePlus's new offerings in the form of those Nord Buds 3 Pro in that kind of teal colorway, and compare it to those Nothing Ear A's. So both of these are some of their least expensive offerings. I think they both look really good. Again, here you guys go. Let me put them up closer for you guys. I think they really look good. Completely different design language. I really do like the Nothing Ear A's case a little bit over the typical oval or oblong looking cases of AirPods, of Galaxy Buds, and now these Nords 3 Buds. But yeah, let's go ahead and look at these side by side. Just to preface this video too, this is not going to be a big technical video. I want to just show you these side by side, look at the design language, and go from there. So if you're looking for a technical breakdown, this isn't the video for that. This is purely what an end user can expect. Let's jump into it. So let's start with the oldie but goodie, those Nothing Ear A's. And as is common practice for Nothing devices, obviously it comes with a transparent case and a magnetic lid. And you can see the buds right from Jump Street with that call out and transparent look again on the stems of the actual earbuds. Little color-coded ring to differentiate the right and left earpieces. Your actual charging case has the light, the LED indicator light for pairing and battery on the left-hand bottom side there, and a solid color back. This does come in, I think, 3 different color patterns. I really do like the fit and finish on these buds. I've been using them for quite a while now, and I really do like them. So let's move those over here and now bring in those newcomers, those OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. And again, more kind of falling in line with the industry is this packaging, just with a little different design language and color patterns to obviously what we're used to with AirPods, and obviously also now kind of Samsung Galaxy Buds. Not saying it's a bad thing, but I just wanted to show you how similar those were nonetheless. But this does have somewhat of a textured look. It is not, it's still very soft, but it has kind of speckles of white in this case here. I believe this comes in 2 different colorways. I really did like this tealish green design here. And what obviously everyone cares about and matters are the buds themselves. And you can see they actually have an engraved L and R signifying those rather than color differentiations. And I still really do like this design. So again, they're buds with stems. You have plenty of sensors in it, your mics, your tweeters, everything is obviously built in. Those silicone tips, these look good. I wish the actual design here, and again, this is a personal preference, the stem was uniform and it didn't go from thin to thick, but take that for what you want. Nothing wrong with that. It's just my personal opinion. And then going ahead and bringing back in the actual Nothing Ear A's, you can see it is very, very comparable to what we just looked at here on those Nord Buds. So, pulling them up and showing you a little closer, you can see just how similar in design they are. However, again, the stem on the Nothing Ears do look a little bit longer, and the head actually looks a little wider also. But take that for what you want. It is kind of neglectable. But yeah, they both are going to offer some sort of ANC levels. Again, we're not going to get too technical here. I did find the Nothing Ear A's sound a little better personally, and do block out a little bit of noise better. But again, just my personal opinion. It could be the tips just don't fit me the exact same way or whatnot, but I do still like these a little bit better. Now, having said that, they do both sound great. They're both serviceable, especially with both of these under that $100 price point. So if price is a prime concern for you, you can't really go wrong with either of these. Obviously, the Nord's 3 Buds are a little less expensive, but again, all under $100. So yeah, just really a quick look for you guys today. I'm very curious. Comment down below. Do you have a preference between these two? Which design do you like the most? That's my more curious point here. Are you a fan of those Nothing Ear A's or OnePlus's buds here with the design on the Nords 3 Pro? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.